Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a 2-page layout for winter. It is ice storm actually. Everything is covered. There's a park bench here covered in ice, and a tree is totally folded over with all the heavy ice on the branches. This is a better picture, it's easier to see. Sheets of ice from the wind and a deep freeze blew water onto the shore. It was amazing to see. That's a bench. Anyway, let's begin. The paper I'm using today is from Colorbok Metropolis pad. These papers are sometimes thin. They're from Walmart, and so I use them when they're often beautiful, so I'll use them for backgrounds instead of cutting out all my Cricut images with them. Excuse me. So today I've already matted these photos. I used a corner punch for a snowflake, a Martha Stewart one for there. Big empty hole in the photo, so a space there, so I like to fill it in sometimes with a punch or something interesting. So anyway, what I want to do is use this icicle border. It's from Creative Memories, and I thought it was absolutely perfect for all these icicles hanging off of everything. So it is from the border punch system, and you get this and this top part, and then these different patterns are available all the time. They're coming out with new ones, and you just slide it in here and you have a border punch again. Pops right in. So I'm going to make another one for this side here. So I just have to flip, you turn that over and flip and lock it into place. This is a magnet strip here. So once I line my paper up, I'll close the magnet. Okay, so I just have to put this into place. You'll find it fits in. There's grooves. It'll fit in and click. And then you punch. Slide along. I hope this isn't jarring the camera too much. And there we go. We have it. Love that system. And they have new punches coming out all the time, like I said. So I'll keep this, and let's get rid of these scraps. All right. Now I'm going to put this along here, and this one along right along the bottom there. I don't tape things down because it takes too long for these videos. So what I'm going to do next is I got an image here of a flourish for the wind and snowflakes. So I'm putting that on top because I have a little scene I'm going to create over here. So I did a tree from Cricut. This is from, let me see, I think it's from Serenade. No, this tree might be from Serenade. And I'm not sure where the other, oh, it's from Nature, it's called. So I'm going to put this tree there, leaving a 1/2 inch margin. And then I'm going to slide this one behind. There. And I have a deer. I love this deer image. He's really pretty. So I'm putting him here. Right there. This is a deer themed page actually, because I found this magnificent scene in intricate seasonal art in Cricut Design Space in Access. I love it. So I'm using this right here. in the middle. Love that picture. And this I'm going to put on top of it, like that. There we go. So I've created a little scene here to kind of replicate the scene in here. And then on this side, I need something for up here. So I found this snowflake flourish. This is Teresa Collins December 25th cartridge. It's from. I like that. And then I found another deer, so I did a silhouette of a deer, and I'm just going to put him right on top of the white snowflake and walking along the top of that photo. I also did another icicle for the bottom of this photo. And I did one for the bottom of this photo. And I did another one for the bottom of this photo. Love these icicles. I knew I had these icicle pages coming up, so when I saw that bunch, I just had to have it. And I embossed the tree with this snowflake punch. It's pretty. And then I am now going to, well, after I turn off the video, I'm going to use Nouveau glitter accents to put snow on these tree branches and just put a little bit of snow on this tree. It's glittery white. It'll be little thicker lines. So anyway, if you, I hope you like the page. You can go to my website, meandmycricut.com. There's a link below. And you can get Design Space links for all of my pages. This one will not be posted yet, but you will find it eventually in Christmas Scrapbook 8. I'll post that info below for you. So happy scrapping.